Oh no, my piggy bank is empty today. Too many chocolates took my money away. Coins just vanished in a blink. Uh-oh, I didn't even think. What will I do now? I wonder why. How will I buy my candy tomorrow? Oh my, without money, things feel tough. Will some magic be enough? I'm a cute little piggy boy. Having fun is my biggest joy. Then came Ezzus Minds, smart and bright, said, let's learn saving, it's super right. Look at Candy's toys, so cool. Shining bright, they totally rule. My heart said, buy them all today. Ezzus Minds said, wait, okay. I didn't listen, bought everything fast. All my money was gone at last. Ezzus Minds said, oh no, what's this? I said, now what? I'm in a mess. No more candy, no new toy. My empty pocket made me cry. Ezzus Minds smiled and gently said, you'll learn soon, don't you dread. Then a bell rang in my head. Ezzus Minds' wise words I read. Needs come first, fun comes later. That's the rule, to be smarter. Ezzus Minds said, listen dear, every coin is precious here. Spend a little, save some too. A bright future waits for you. Now I save coins every day, planning smart in a better way. I buy my needs, I think it through, then pick fun toys I really choose. Now my piggy bank's big and round. Happiness and savings I've found. Save, save, save your money. That's the smart kid's happy journey. If you wanna be smart and funny, say it loud. Save your money. Like, share, and subscribe to Grow with Ezzus Minds. Smart like you.